looks good on this batch.
Yeah, real consistent. Just check the stems for softness.
Got it.
Today, we're taking you inside a modern watermelon processing plant, where thousands of fresh watermelons are cleaned, cut, and transformed into sweet red juice using advanced industrial technology.
It all begins here, in the fields, where ripe watermelons are carefully grown and selected. After harvesting, the watermelons are prepared for transport to the processing plant.
Once inside the facility, the watermelons are unloaded and prepared for thorough cleaning. High-pressure washing systems remove dirt and bacteria from the watermelon surface.
After cleaning, the watermelons move toward the cutting line, where processing begins.
Powerful cutting systems split each watermelon cleanly, revealing the fresh red flesh inside. Specialized equipment removes seeds while preserving the natural watermelon pulp. The prepared watermelon pulp is now ready for juice extraction.
The cutting process begins with precision blades designed specifically for large watermelons.
Special systems remove the seeds while keeping the fruit fresh and intact. Once prepared, the watermelon pulp is collected and readied for juice extraction. Powerful presses extract juice from the watermelon pulp while retaining its natural freshness.
The juice is filtered to remove remaining solids while preserving its natural flavor.
Careful heat treatment ensures safety without compromising taste.
Once processed, the watermelon juice is ready for bottling. The extracted watermelon juice flows through sealed pipelines to maintain freshness. Filtration removes remaining solids while preserving the natural flavor. Filtration removes remaining solids while preserving the natural flavor. Filtration removes remaining solids while preserving the natural flavor. The freshly processed watermelon juice is now filled into bottles with precision and speed.
Automated capping systems seal each bottle to lock in freshness.
As production pauses, workers take a short break between shifts.
Behind every automated system, skilled workers keep the operation running smoothly.
After the break, production resumes with the same precision and care.
Before filling begins, each bottle is inspected to ensure cleanliness and accuracy.
Automated systems control fill levels to ensure consistency in every bottle.
Each cap is checked to protect freshness and prevent leaks.
Labeling accuracy ensures every bottle is ready for distribution.
With bottling complete, the juice moves on to final packaging.
Every bottle is carefully inspected to ensure quality and consistency.
Random samples are tested to maintain taste and freshness standards. Once packed, the products are sealed and prepared for distribution. From here, the juice is moved to warehouses and distribution centers.
These trucks carry fresh watermelon juice from the factory to stores and customers.
And that's how watermelon juice is made. Straight from the field to the bottle.